Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can switch the video layers on the VN Editor app. So to switch from backward to forward, you're just going to go and select the clip on the background clip, and then you are going to find this sort of forward button, and then you're just going to select that. And then I'm just going to click on the other video to make it like the background of the then background. So I'm just going to click on it and then press backward, and then that means the video is now on this one. I don't know where okay, this one went over here, but as you can see, the video switched layers. But yeah, that is basically it. The format will change too, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!